I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wrenches in my top drawer of my snap-on box. I think I'm missing. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pliers in my bottom drawer of my snap-on box. Get ready to fix some cars. Get ready to fix. Let's go! Hey, what's up guys, this is MJ100K and it looks like Miss Piggy is sick. Got the check engine light on at 49,000 miles for P219B, and my scan tool doesn't know the definition of that. DTC, there's a factory specific, OEM specific DTC, because it's P219B. The 2 it's gonna means OEM specific. If it's P0, then it's a universal fault code. So let's see. I found the definition online that said something like variation between cylinders on bank 2. Let me see if I can find it. So it's air fuel ratio cylinder imbalance on bank 2. So it's a difference of more than 15% of output between two different cylinders on bank 2. If you ever want to know the difference between bank 1 and bank 2, bank 1 is going to be the bank with the number 1 cylinder. So you'd have to look at the ignition firing sequence to see where the number 1 cylinder is. Anyway, so I looked up online. There's many different things it could be. It could be a mechanical issue inside the engine. They said that there's a TSB for fuel injectors for this engine, and what else? It could be a spark too. The engine could be carboned up. So I'm probably just going to take it into the dealer and see what they say. It should be still under warranty for powertrain until 60,000 miles. So we'll see what happens, and I'll let you know. And thanks for tuning in, and have a good one.